This is not just a center for specific persons. No matter the cadre or the class of your business, whether micro, whether small, whether medium, there's a space for you. And the allotment of space has been grouped into that kind of cadre. The rent of a space is 1,500, that's the rent, 1,500 per square meter per year. And you're paying a service charge of 2,500 per square meter in 1 year. So if you sum up all of that together as an artisan, what you would pay per square meter per year, what you will only pay here is 48,000 naira. I just want to tell you about 3 major benefits that you stand to gain by having a space at Edo Production Centre. The first, you stand a chance of enjoying uninterrupted power supply. And the second thing that we stand a chance to gain, especially as small businesses, is that we have access to some equipment and machines that ordinarily, as a small business, we may not be able to get on our own.
His Excellency, the Executive Governor, have taught it twice. He has commissioned the installation of 3,500 kVA transformer, 33 kV line from that CCN down here. He is going to be in direct line, no interruption, 247. So whoever is going to subscribe into doing business in this place, you have one more less thing to worry about, and that's power, which is very key if you want to start your business.
Now, this is the contractor that is connecting us to Transmission Company of Nigeria. They are not the ones collecting money.
We've been working on what I would call a product paper that is designed specifically for the occupants of the production center. Now, we recognize that there are different categories of artisans or business owners here. So there's the micro, which is like the entry level, and there's small enterprises, and there are also large enterprises. And the way that we are structuring our product is to cater for each category. And for each category, depending on the amount that you are going to borrow, the requirements are different. So I just want you to be rest assured that, you know, we're working to make sure that we support your business in the best possible way. Because money helps to grow our businesses, and that is why I'm here.
I believe that every business has a chance to go from wherever you are now to scale. And by scale, it means that you're going to, by scale, we want you to grow from where you are today to grow appropriately, both in size, in employees, in turnover, and everything together. So it's not just one side only that grows, but the entire business will grow and will scale. The way we want to do that is that everyone that registers here as a business can, by God's grace, then we'll get some training on how to do some of the things we want to do. We're going to help you prepare your tax forms, prepare the things that will help you grow as a business. We are working with the government and our Bank of Industry to train and prepare us here to get loans to grow our business. The legal services, financial services that will help us prepare papers, prepare our annual documents, because to get loans sometimes they want you to have your documents, your reports, audit reports, and all those things. So instead of you paying one by one for these things, we'll have a shared service that will help all of us that need the same service. The cost will come down because we're all sharing the provider.
How are you? We have 30 of who don't give us access. So
That's the community.
yeah, the community people. Okay, so we need outage from BBC to be able to because we can't put up the lines when there's power there. So
based on that impacted the number of people that were going to have it. So they work together to determine the different kinds of work and how they should use themselves. They're also having a shed at the back so that the larger welding jobs can be done outside by the welders. Our session we had with them yesterday, they also still suggested that maybe we could do so that it's easy for them to go to the back. Yes. So this is the last day. They're going to be taken up by the committee. So they're already bringing in their equipment, actually. And they're going to be 20. How many of them? 25 of them working here at Edo Production. And then the last part of this building is the restroom and the bathrooms. But we're not any
Yes, I know. So you want to put, what's this? What's going on here?
because when they weld large items like plates and oil,
This is like a level. But they have some dando rigs.
This one a very fine idea now the governor bring to us. First of all, you see youth they out there, they no get job, they no get something when they do. But the governor don't look into this matter. I see him say they really need something. The youth really need something doing. Now I can create this place, Edo Production Centre, so that everybody can come down here. You have something doing. And steady lights good day. Light is the number one security, not be police. If steady light dey, problem no go dey to an extent, because if somebody dey rob you here at the steady light, the person go feel, the other neighbor or passerby go see am, stop, say ah, he go shout. But if the place dey dark, the person go run for your own life. So now the governor don bring am steady light come this place, and it creates job for us here. Now there's a space for us to do our business here, and apart from that, still bring BOI. Bank of Industry, so that for those people when be small, when they start up, they can get loan from them and start up their business. I think now the best way where government fit dey assist the people, the masses, now be this.
Yes, I think say it go help people well, because this space when government they do, now place where be say businesses go come together, like a community, then help each other grow. So because different parts dey to this thing, not be as people just say Edo Production Centre, but you know, na place when be say this one help this one help this one. As they don't make us know when we come today, now that will make me happy well.
The university, which is Benton Idasa University, will work with the government. We are going to work to provide shared services, which means say that as everybody is here in the center, they say that they cannot afford by themselves individually. The university provide one for all of them, so that it will be cheaper for everybody to do all at once. Hope that makes sense. But we said the main reason why we are here as a university is to make sure that every business here must grow. No, as long as you are here in the center, once you apply to the center and they approve you, the university will be there to provide services, make it help now. The major one is that when they want loan, we are the ones that will have to prepare them for the loan. We will do the training. the pre-packaging, the pre-qualification, so that before they can qualify, we help them do that. So that when they go to the bank will make it be very easy for them to get the loan.
What we can see in the background, I think we're about 1 month away from commencement of activities here. A lot of the infrastructure work has been done. If you recall, the last time we were here, the bays have not been roofed. Now they have been roofed. Arrangements have been completed to get interrupted power into this facility, and the contractors have assured me, the power contractors have assured me that within the next fortnight they'll be able to make the connection to bring interrupted power into this premises. From this center, we already have applications, and actually we've had groups, lots of small businesses who have come together as cooperatives or as clusters who have actually applied and have been given space, either in fabrication, in terms of making polymer-based products like plastic products or furniture. We have, I think, at the last count, how many applications?
Over 200 applications.
They've had over 200 applications from small businesses who want to come here and locate. We are talking with the local governments concerned, the three local governments in the metropolitan area, Ikpobaha, Ego, and Hunwode, to build magistrate courts so that we can relocate these courts closer to the communities they serve. So, the plan is within the foreseeable, within a couple of months, we should be relocating these courthouses to the various local governments. First thing, the Supply Road is a federal road, so we're talking with the Federal Ministry of Works to make sure that the road is serviced, that potholes are filled. We're going to be working with them to put street lights. We have a traffic agency that fortunately has an office here, and we're going to deploy our men to make sure that traffic flows. This, as you know, is one of the most important arteries in the country that takes traffic from the rest of the country into the south-south. So it's a priority road we're looking at, and we'll make sure it's properly serviced.
The various sections we have here, we have space for welding and fabrication, we have space for polythene production, we have furniture makers that are already showing a lot of interest to come in, printers. This space is for people who are into production, small-scale production, to help you to drive your cost of production down so you can grow your businesses and of course create more jobs and employ more people. So that there are going to be trade fairs and so many things to help people expand their business and their markets. And we're working with organizations like Bank of Industry, like MAID, which is a DFID funded program. We're also working with Benson Idahosa University to provide training and certification for people that will be here, working with the existing unions that are training to help to put structure. So there are lots of things that will be happening here, and we're looking forward to opening it in a month's time. So we're working with them as cooperatives. The plan is for people to grow. So here you have space for artisans, you have space for SMEs and for larger businesses. So the idea is that we can incubate them as artisans, they can grow into the space for SMEs and continue growing like that. But don't forget, this is not the only production center we're going to have in Edo State. When His Excellency was here the last time, he talked about us having production centers in all the senatorial districts. So there's going to be enough room and continuous growth for each of these centers. So as His Excellency said earlier, this place is going to be open in a month's time. And already people have registered for spaces. The application process has been on. We've been on TV, we've been on radio. We've been announcing for people that are into production who need these services to apply. And we've gotten a lot of applications. So you can be sure that we'll be back here in a month's time to officially open it.